how much should you actually spend on an electric bike? You might think the pricey ones are always better, but that's not always the case. Today, I'm breaking down the best electric bikes under $2,000 so you can make a smart choice without overspending. Product number 1: TSD electric bike. First up is the TSD electric bike, priced at $599.99. What caught my eye was its 1500W peak motor and impressive range of up to 60 miles. If you want a solid blend of performance and affordability, this is worth a serious look. This bike is built for those who crave versatility. The high-performance motor means you can tackle both city streets and off-road trails with ease. The removable battery takes just 6-7 hours to charge, and that's key if you're commuting or planning a weekend adventure. With a full charge, you can ride up to 60 miles in pedal assist mode, which is perfect for longer trips. Plus, the fat tires and full suspension make for a comfy ride, absorbing bumps to keep you cruising smoothly. Now, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it sorted, the ride quality and features far outweigh that initial hassle. So if you're someone who doesn't mind a little tinkering, this bike could be perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurous commuter or someone who loves weekend rides. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight since it weighs about 66 pounds. For the price, you're getting great value without sacrificing performance. Product number 2: Funhang commuter bike. Next up, we have the Funhang electric bike, priced at just $379.99. This bike stands out with its 1000W peak motor, making it a fantastic option for those looking for power on a budget. If you want a reliable commuter bike that won't break the bank, check this out. That means you can take it for longer trips without worrying about battery life. The step-through frame is a nice touch, especially if you're looking for comfort and ease of getting on and off. Plus, with 5 working modes, you can customize your ride to fit your needs, whether you're on a leisurely cruise or pushing to work. Some reviews did mention that the bike's weight could be a downside for some, particularly when you need to lift it. But honestly, for the features you're getting at such a low price, it's hard to complain. This bike is perfect for casual riders who need something functional without all the bells and whistles. Skip this if you're looking for a high-performance mountain bike, but for daily commuting, it's a steal. Product number 3: Funhang mountain bike. Another strong contender is the Funhang electric mountain bike, available for $299.99. The price point is impressive for its features. If you're looking for a solid mountain bike that's easy on the wallet, you should really consider this one. With a 500W motor that peaks at 1000W, this bike lets you hit speeds of up to 20 mph. The 48V removable battery gives you a range of about 40-50 miles, which is pretty decent for an electric mountain bike. It also includes 5 working modes, so you have flexibility depending on your riding style or terrain. The dual-disc brakes and front suspension provide safety and comfort, whether you're on a trail or cruising around town. However, some users felt that the bike could be better suited for lighter riders due to its performance. But here's the thing, if you're just using it for casual rides or city commuting, it's still a solid option. This is perfect for casual riders looking for a reliable e-mountain bike. Skip it if you're a heavy-duty trail rider looking for extreme performance, but for the price, it's a great entry-level bike. Product number 4: WRHY compact bike. The WRHY electric bike comes in at a very budget-friendly $199.99. What really grabbed my attention was its compact design. If you need something small and easy to store, this is worth a look. Featuring a 500W motor that can reach speeds of 20 mph, this bike is surprisingly powerful for its size. The 48V battery allows for a range of up to 30 miles in pedal assist mode, which is decent for quick trips around the city. The front suspension helps smooth out the ride, while the added safety features like disc brakes ensure you stop reliably. The downside, some people found it a bit underwhelming for rougher terrains. But honestly, if you're primarily commuting or need something for short rides, this bike really hits the mark. This is perfect if you live in a tight space and need a bike that's easy to store. Skip it if you're frequently hitting tough trails, as it's not designed for that level of intensity. Product number 5, WERHY upgraded model. Lastly, there's the upgraded WERHY electric bike priced at $229.99. This model retains all the good features of the compact version but with slight improvements. If you want a reliable e-bike that's compact, this is worth checking out. With the same 500W motor and a top speed of 20 mph, you're getting similar performance. The enhanced dual suspension ensures a smoother ride, especially on bumpy city roads. Plus, the added user-friendly features like the LED display help you keep track of your ride stats. Some users did feel the battery range could be improved. Here's the thing though, if you're using this for quick commutes or casual rides, it's more than sufficient. This bike is perfect for anyone who needs a compact option for city riding. Skip this if you're looking for extensive off-road capabilities, but for city commuting, it offers fantastic value. So to quickly recap, we've got the TSD electric bike for durability and long range, the Funhang commuter bike for budget-friendly versatility, the Funhang mountain bike for entry-level mountain biking, and 2 WERHY models that are perfect for compact city riding. Each bike has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs. Happy riding!